there's another thing. If I pass my test on Tuesday at dinner time,
you're out in it.
I want to go home in it and show our George it. So, what are you rapturing? Are you rapturing any of it?
Scott said that he doesn't like the chrome pipe.
Right.
Top.
So it's just a Raptor?
So we're suggesting that we do the black Raptor. It might not be Raptor, it might be something similar looking than Raptor.
Yeah.
The steps.
Right.
The steps on the rear there.
Yeah.
So little bits of Raptor. I think the grills will get a freshen up with some sort of...
Yeah. And badge. Maybe.
The badge, yeah, he said about the chrome badges, so I think they're going to be a matte black.
Yeah. There's a lot of work in this, isn't there?
There's, to be honest, there is and there isn't. But if you were to start polishing this from head to foot, it's probably about 4 hours more to paint it.
So you might as well just rub it down quick and hit it with paint and a quick buff.
Yeah, exactly. And we're getting rid of them 5 different shades of white that we're dealing with. Me and Adam have been on it all day so far. The plan is to get it at least rubbed down today. Monday, Adam's got a job to do. I'm going to mask it up Monday, and then after work, Monday night, we're going to paint it.
Right.
Might put 2 guns on it. I don't know. There's been a couple of tiny little fiberglass repairs.
Yeah.
There's just been the odd crack, which you could possibly paint over, you know, but we've reinforced them at the back. There's only been 3 or 4 of them, a couple of that side on the top where you would fill up and you'd notice it, you know. We're not really doing anything at the back here.
No. I'm not bothered about, like, some of them paint all them as well. I'm not bothered about doing that.
They're done in half, to be honest.
You think Raptor then?
Yeah. That side, I was definitely... I've been at that side, so I'm getting it in my head what we're doing and what we're not doing. So, yeah, I've prepared that for Raptor. By the time I get round here, we'll probably Raptor this.
Yeah.
I think... Again, it's not like a car, it's rock hard, you know, although that's rusty, it's rock hard.
You just clean it off and just paint it.
Something over top of it,
yeah. If I like that chrome on there though, it's a bit...
Well, this is the thing with Scania drivers, they seem a bit...
Chrome and stainless and...
The Christmas tree all little.
Yeah. I think just forget about it.
I was going to just flick a tape off here and paint to there, so this will still look original.
Yeah. What? There or?
Either or, probably this edge.
I'll go to that. I think it'll
this
be good. Yeah, I think I'll just go to that,
Okay. And that's really the only scab on it. There's a few little bits, but it's now really.
Yeah, just round, yeah. Just pop these out and get round them.
Well, if they're going to come off, but...
I think you get in this already.
Might be a mask job. There was a repair to do there. I think the wiper must have come down and hit it hard. So there's a bit of fiberglass that we've put in, because that was cracked.
Yeah.
When we get around to that, we can do it. I don't know whether this is going to be like a smooth Raptor if you fancied it that way around.
It's got a few dints in it and that.
You might not see as much of it once it's black.
Yeah. It definitely wants squashing with something. You know, take that lens and squash it just to get that out a bit, and then it should be all right. Might have to put...
Is it Alex? Keep it on, or do you want it taken off? Or?
I think if we've got it, it's not with fault if we take it off.
No.
The gag for them Kelsa bars though, don't they?
I'm not sure. I'm not up on them, you know.
Yeah, they're...
I can't get this. I think it's this one that can get up. Yeah, that one's up and easy.
Yeah.
But this one feels like it's just on one catch somewhere. This has got like a... where you would put your fingers in there to pull it. Oh, that's right. It feels like it's loose at this side and just on this one catch. You don't know where the bonnet catch is, do you?
Ask me one on sport, Glenn.
Right.
We'll not teach you all this in lorry school.
No, you don't get to know. They ask you where you fill oil, you go there. I just check oil, dash. These are the holy grail of the trucks, aren't they? This is what all the truckers want.
So they say, yeah.
You know what you need to do, I know what I need to do. Right then. Another video, but this is a bit different. It's been a while since I've started a proper video as well. Yeah, about a project anyway. So, as you can see, we've got a Scania V8. So, we did have the old ERF, which looked like a MAN, but it weren't, it was an ERF. But Scott were really worried about the manual gearbox. So we decided, by accident, to get a Scania V8. So Gav bought this Then a newer one came up for sale and he bought that one and they said, I don't need this one now, and we liked it, so he said, well, we'll have it. But the reason we're talking about it now, as you can see, there's some little bits and pieces which Sarah's run round and had a look already. There's just some little bits and pieces that need sorting out, and we own a body shop, so we said once we've got all the insurance work out of the way, we've got a couple of free days, Glenn, Adam and Jack are going to start taking this to bits and paint it basically, because it's 50 shades of white, which is not as good as 50 shades of grey. So we decided that we're going to try and smarten up a bit. It turns out we've got 3 litres of candy white, which is like the same colour as like my transport van, stuff like that we've done some work on. Obviously being a Scania, it's a V8, and if you look inside there's bits missing because we're having them re-trimmed, so when we get them we'll get them back. Where's my keys? Ah, there it's on. So as you can see, it's done 1.72 million kilometres, so this has been around a bit. I'm not going to start it up while we're in here because it'll stink them out, but when they finish what they're doing we might be able to get a listen to what it sounds like, because the V8 burble is pretty good. And the main thing for Scott, you can't really see much here, but this is an automatic, which is good. And to be fair, from being in this and being in the newer V8s and being in the new Mercs that I'm learning in, it's not a bad gearbox. It's got plenty of power, it gets up to speed pretty quick. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. Here we go. So, what do you reckon to wagon then?
Alright.
It's alright, is that as much as it is? Glenn stayed up till 5 and Adam stayed up till 5 this morning. It's alright. Not amazing.
I like it.
You like it? So, we've pretty much sorted with the Scania now. Got the low bar, or whatever you want to call it, all sort of filled in and raptored. Can't even look up, it's that bright. We've got the light bar all raptored as well, that looks a ton better. Obviously you can see it's absolutely splattered with flies because it's been used for quite a bit now. I think we've done probably 500-600 miles since it was done. So yeah, really happy with it. We've done some stuff to the interior as well, had all the seats recovered, new curtains, new upholstered thing to cover horrible scabby 2005 dash up, and a few other little touches. So yeah, this is ready to sleep 2 people. Generally it'll only have 1 person in it, but obviously it's got a double bunk so we can get 2 people in if we need to. And then the trailer, like we said before, get 4 people in it easily, 5 to push. And then you still got out back at trailer if people want to bring camp beds, so should be good for us when we're going racing for the rest of the year. We're just heading off to Belgium now. It'd been nice to have been taking this in our cars, but we just haven't had time to get everything ready. The carnets for getting into Europe are just ridiculous when you're talking an articulated wagon like this. So we just said, can't be bothered, leave the cars here, let the lads fix them while we're away driving some other people's cars. Yeah, on to Snetterton again at the end of this month in the truck again.